Here we go with that big bellwether Green Mountain Coffee Roasters. We all know about what a high flyer it used to be. They came out with their earnings in after hours and they beat the street. They closed at 28.95. We hit a high of $35 on Green Mountain Coffee. Heavily short interest on it. They beat by 16 cents. They beat on the revs. The guide Q1 EPS above consensus, revs above consensus, and they're given fiscal 13 EPS above consensus, revs above consensus. The upside guidance is that this thing is heavily shorted. That means that the shorts are going to have to come out. We will buy the dips here. I will post this in the live trading room. There is the earnings report that I have. So what we'll do is we'll focus on where this thing would pull back tomorrow and what this story would look like. This is the after hours chart that I have right here, hitting $35 a share. Right when that report came out in after hours, there was a huge spike up there. Now, having said that, let's take a look at a weekly chart on Green Mountain Coffee. And let's see where the Green Mountain Coffee trade would take us higher with the shorts. Okay, look at that, my friends. Here is the weekly chart. We put bottoms in over here at $20. We're going to pop up here. The 200-week moving average is going to be the key resistance area of around 38.62. Once we get the pullback, we will look at where those short sells would come out. We would look at where Green Mountain Coffee would be in the shorter term. They've guided down many quarters, and they've missed many earnings. And here's that trend line. Here's that weekly half bar. Let's take a look at where Green Mountain Coffee back in the day, back in 2011, we traded this thing up here, but you know, that growth story went away. And we can clearly see that this stock here was at its all-time lows and on its, there's a lot of controversy around this stock, a lot of heavy short sellers in this stock. They're going to have a rude awakening in this stock. The short sellers are going to panic out of it. We're going to try to trade the pullback and sell into resistance, and that's Green Mountain Coffee after hours earnings, upside guidance. And maybe they're selling a lot of coffee for Christmas.